Good day, everybody. Ricardo, Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today, I wanted to cover who could benefit from credit repair services. So, there's two things that I always mention that make you a good candidate for credit repair services. That is, number one, you have derogatory items on your credit report. If you've looked at your credit report and you have outstanding collections, paid collections, those still affect our scores. If you have late payments, 30, 60, 90, 120-day late payment, even late payments on old cars, vehicle loans, right? Even late payments on credit cards that are closed. If you have any late payments on your credit report, you could be a good candidate for credit repair, okay? And then also, if you have any repos or foreclosures, and then lastly, if you have any public records. Public records are judgments, tax liens, and bankruptcies. So if you have any of those items, you could definitely benefit from our program, from credit repair services, okay? And then lastly, the second thing that has to be aligned for you to get good results from a credit repair service program would be you have to be able to pay all your active open bills on time. So right now, whatever you have actively open, maybe it's your auto loan, maybe it's credit cards, maybe it's personal loans, anything that's actively open that you are paying on every month, okay? You have to be paying it on time on a monthly basis. If you can't pay your active open bills on time, then you would not be a good candidate for credit repair, because think about it. If a credit repair company is trying to remove negative items from your credit report, but then you are allowing new negative items to go on your credit report, then your credit scores are not going to increase. So for you to get great results from a credit repair program, number one, you have to have derogatory items and then on your credit report. And number two, you have to be able to pay all your active open bills on time. If you have any questions, please comment, please call me, or please direct message me, okay? Hope this helps. Thank you very much.